One day I was browsing Kleintools website, like any normal person does at 2 in the morning, and found this pretty cool network tester. So naturally, having the massive YouTube channel that I do, I emailed Kleintools and asked if they'd send me one for free. And of course they didn't even reply, so obviously I bought a used one. So now, purely out of fiscal vengeance, we're going to open it up and see what 70 bucks on a bruised ego gets you. Alright, first step, let's void some warranties. Klein, if you're watching, look away. 4 Phillips screws on the back. Thank you, Klein, for not using security Torx or some pentalobe nonsense. It's almost like they want people to fix things instead of throwing them away. Clearly, they don't use Apple business consultants. Once the screws are out, you'll meet the real boss fight. The 4 plastic clips. Basically tiny landmines waiting to decide whether you're doing a teardown or a reconstruction. Assuming you survive the corner clips with your dignity intact, you now have access to Klein's carefully guarded secret, a circuit board. They actually covered the LCD controller with paint, because nothing says trade secret like concealing a Haltech HT1621, the IKEA furniture of display chips. And here's a closer look at the PCB. Mostly surface mount parts, clean layout, no nonsense. Clearly built for production, not tinkering. Still, everything is spaced out enough that you could actually rework it if you had to. It's efficient, reliable, and visually thrilling in the same way drywall is. And here's the remote, basically the sidekick that does most of the work and gets none of the credit. Pop it open, and it's just a handful of resistors cosplaying as sophisticated electronics. But hey, it does the job quietly and with zero drama. And that's it. Everything back where it belongs, pretending nothing happened. The Scout Pro 3 lives again. A little wiser, slightly cleaner, and probably still under warranty if no one from Klein sees this video. Thanks for watching, and remember, if it ain't broke, take it apart anyway.